Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good. I'm good. Hello. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Can you please tell me about your last job?
I was working in Lebanon, my 4 years, and my employer there are Lebanese. Yeah, I finished 4 years there, and then I come here in Dubai last. That was 2010. Yeah, and my employer here was the my madam is Americans from Houston, Texas, and my sir is from Argentina. They have two children, one boy and one daughter. And the boy is 12 years old and the girl is 8 years old.
Okay, so how many members in the family that you're taking good care of?
There are four.
Therefore,
Yeah.
and okay, with that American family, what were your duties and responsibilities in their house?
I clean the house all around. I take the children. I take care of the children also.
Okay, and what is the main reason why you decided not to continue to work with them?
Yeah, because that time my child died, and then my employer also they transfer in Thailand, and
Mm,
yeah, and my employer wants me to work with them. They want to bring me in Thailand also, but I I choose to go home because they tell me also that if you want to go home, we will get you plane ticket to go home. Maybe you want to be with your family, family because of your daughter. That's why I go.
okay, so now since you're back here in UAE, you're looking for a new opportunity here. How much would be the minimum salary you'd ask this time?
Yeah, not less than 2,000.
Okay, and by the way, what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
Yeah, I can do all. Yeah, whatever, whatever.
Okay, and what type of food can you cook?
Yeah, I can cook Lebanese. I can cook whatever the Filipino. I can cook. Yeah, but they can tell me how to because in every family, in every house, different cooking.
Okay, and what is your hobby?
My hobby is cleaning the house always.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see a baby crying, what will you do?
I just get her and let her dance with her like that. To let
Okay.
her, yeah.
All right. And if the parents is not at home, then the child suddenly got sick. What is the first thing that you need to do?
I have to call them. I have to call them.
Okay. And what is your hobby?
Singing.
Singing.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long do you want to work here in UAE? I believe you'd been here before and now you're back. How many more years you want to stay here?
Yeah, 2 years or 4 years more. Yeah,
4 years more.
yeah.
And do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
Yes, I will be a good helper because all of my employer they like me.
Mm.
Even Lebanon, they don't want me to go, but I go.
Okay, well, that's nice to hear that. Well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.